What is going on, my brodies? It is Andrew of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I want to show you guys this brand new sample pack that Tony created, which has some Polo G, Lil TJ, and I was about to say NBA Youngboy, but Lil Durk inspired melodic samples and melodies. In this pack, not only do you get the melodies and melody stems, but you also get the MIDI. You can find the MIDI of each melody composition within each folder. So if we go to Big Dreams, we see we have the main, we have the bass line, current piano. So if we pulled it in here, and everything's BPM and key labeled. If we go to all, if you see if I typed in like, you see we get all the MIDI as well. So if I were to even swap this out, go to replace, let's pull up like Omni and put a piano. So if we go to all, and for all of our samples, we have a licensing agreement in our sample packs for you guys. I understand most of you guys are just trying to get some money, trying to get some easy placements, sell some beats on BeatStars. We're not trying to get in your pockets for that. We understand that producers and beat makers, we want everyone to build, but if you get, a major record with a major artist, or you have to do an exclusive signing or contract with the label that involves copyright and sync placements and all that such, then please contact us. Our contact information is in that licensing agreement in the sample pack folder. So, but like I said, for all those YouTube producers, up and coming beat stars, producers, go get your money. We're not too worried about the splits on that. So if we play this, this is with the MIDI. So, obviously if I change it to 160, or I could even do and say, obviously I just rearranged the patch sound to just get a better style that I liked. But let's go ahead and look at a different example. Like I said, you get the MIDI, so if you don't like the looping sequence, then yeah, you don't need to worry about that. So maybe if let's go down here, MIDI. Go ahead and even cook up a quick little beat to this if I wanted to, or I'm gonna have to shift this key down to So if you guys like these samples that you're hearing, all these samples, all these MIDIs are available in the AT, the GOAT 2 Polo G sample and MIDI pack. I'll put the link to this sample and MIDI pack down in the description down below. I'll also go ahead and put a link to a free sample pack in case if you guys want to check out our free sample packs. The free sample pack does not have any MIDI, but it does have melody samples and stems for you to use, and it's new, unique one, so it is something different. So I'll go ahead and put a free sample pack down in the description down below, and I will put the link to this one there as well. If you guys like this, if you guys want to hear more, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. It does help a lot. This is Andrew of Beat It AT. Hopefully I'll have more videos coming out this week and the coming weeks as well. See ya.